Hey, I'm Darren Keefe, and I'm in beautiful, sunny Southwest Florida, an area known for beaches and sunshine and happiness, but also for some wicked, wicked storms. In 2022, Hurricane Ian passed through this neighborhood and did some damage. But I'm excited today because Renewal by Andersen, we're replacing some windows here in Jeff and Mary's house. Let's check it out. So what got you thinking about replacing the windows?
They're very difficult to open.
Yeah, give it a try. Oh yeah, that's tough. You really got to put your muscle into that. And then closing them, yeah.
We found them to be very cheaply built. And the peeling.
Yeah, you have the peeling.
When the sun comes in and during that part of the day, you touch the window and it's like very, very hot.
So tell me what it was like during Hurricane Ian when you had the shutters closed, the big metal shutters closed, and it was very dark in here.
We lost our power right away, and that hurricane was a slow-moving one, so it lasted 8 hours. And we had flashlights, and it was just, you didn't know what was going on. All you could do was hear the noise.
It was scary.
It
was frightening.
We couldn't see outside until it's like when it was all done, and the next morning, then we saw the destruction in our neighborhood.
Why did you choose Renewal by Andersen?
I think protection is probably the first thing.
Yeah.
Protect our investment in our house. We trust the brand, we know the quality.
So all the concerns I heard from Jeff and Mary are normal. I've experienced them myself, having lived in Florida. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so you can see behind me, the Renewal by Andersen team is taking out these old aluminum windows. Now, I don't love these windows. I've had them in my house, and also they're not energy efficient. This is a single pane. When you're talking about heat transfer on a single pane window, the heat that hits this pane is gonna transfer to the other side and be warm on the other side, which means you're gonna have a warm interior. So when you think about the thousands of miles of coastline in the US, there's a lot of windows out there that are underperforming. All right, so we're getting ready to install the new impact replacement windows by Renewal by Andersen. This is a great window for a lot of reasons. One, you're protected. It's double pane. So when we're talking about storms, this window was specifically made for these types of areas, coastal areas. When you get these large storms, you have debris flying, it's double pane, so you've got that protection. Also, because it's double pane, you get the energy efficiency. So can't wait to get this in. It's not only more efficient, but gives the house a facelift. All right, so 12 windows installed in total. What do you think?
These are great windows. The sun is coming in right now. I don't feel any heat coming through. And having the grills inside the windows, it'll be easy cleaning.
We don't have to hassle with the metal shutters.
And also with the Fibrex material, this is 2 times stronger than vinyl, so it's a very sturdy window.
We're very impressed with the installation. The whole process from start to finish was very professional. Mm-hmm. And we feel a lot more comfortable about the next storm coming.
That's great. Well, I think you're protected. So I'm gonna help these guys wrap up, and I'll let you enjoy the new window.
Thank you. Thank you.